Hello everyone and welcome. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. Today, I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you that want to catch a few more Dungeness crabs. Recently, I was out doing derelict gear removal in the Hood Canal area. 400 foot of water, I discovered this crab pot had 30 crab in it. Also in this crab pot, when I got it up to the surface, I noticed that it had a lot of shells in it hanging from the top of the crab pot. So I started to look into it a little bit more, and on the float was the name of the tribal fisher. I got with them. Sure enough, they're taking shells, putting them together, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you. You take a piece of yarn, and the whole of the shell is there already. Simply tie a knot. All right? That's pretty simple. Then you take one of these pads. These are a cotton pad. And the idea is that you're going to use a scent and soak it really good. And when you put all of this together, you'll see that the scent pads are with the shells. You put another shell on here, like so. And then throw another shell. Here's the ones with the holes. It doesn't make any difference which way you go with them. But the idea here is to get the shell to come down and touch each other and rattle. That's important, all right? And then you put another scent pad on and put that through, just real simple. Run it down. Another shell, run that down. Quick and easy. Although this twine they recommend because it holds scent. So you can get the scent. Now see how that's going to sit in the crab pot? Just like that. And you're going to use this scent. And I tell you this. I have personally experienced this to work. Alright? Let me know how it turns out for you. And coming up is going to be some of the best locations in Puget Sound. That's right, to get Dungeness crab and the red rock crab. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks.